Good morning students. Welcome to 7th session of first chapter, that is probability. In today's session we will continue sums which we did in last session. So sum is this way. The sample space for a random experiment of selecting numbers is where u is given 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 120. Find the probability that the number selected is. Now 5 questions are: number 1 a multiple of 3, number 2 not a multiple of 3, number 3 a multiple of 4, fourth is not a multiple of 4, and last is a multiple of both 3 and 4. Now if you remember, in previous session also we discussed find the probability. Before that, of course, here in this question it is already given u, that is 1, 2, 3 up to 120. But normally if it is not given, it's understood that before find the probability, whatever it is given, read that correctly, and that only will be your u, sample space u, that is n. Now here we can't show all 120, so in this case it will be 120 only. Now come to the first question, that is the number selected is a multiple of 3. Now this we assume that event A is what? That is event of the number selected is multiple of 3. Now which these numbers will be? Now we know very well what are multiples. Multiples of 3, that is 3, 6, 9, 12. When you multiply 3, now we have to take up to 120 because last number is 120. Now again, these all numbers we cannot write all, but we can show this way: 3, 6, 9, 12, and last will be 120. But how many these numbers will be? Now for that simple way, this 120 total number we divide by 3, that comes 40. That means this we are not supposed to show calculations, but this is for simply your knowledge. Total sample points will be 40. So in that case, m will be 40. Now we know very well the formula for finding probability, that is m upon n. Here this will be 40 by 120. Again, don't write this answer 40 by 120, half mark you will get less. We have to write the simplest form, which is 1 by 3, and as I told, this 1 by 3 or whatever answer is there, that put in box or underline it. So this is 1 by 3, that probability of getting where number which is selected is a multiple of 3. Now next is, that is the number selected is not multiple of 3. Now this is simply a dash. If you remember, we already discussed a dash, that is complementary event of a, other than elements other than a from sample space u. Now already we did here, that is multiple of 3. Now here it is not multiple of 3. So it is a dash. How we find a dash? 1 minus probability of a. So this will be, probability a is 1 by 3. So 1 minus 1 by 3, that will be 2 by 3. Another way even you can solve. Now we know that multiples of 3 are 40, and it's too simple also to get the answer this only 2 by 3. See, 40 are which are multiple of 3. So rest 80 only will be which are not multiple of 3. So those 80 even divide by 120, that also you get 2 by 3. So this is only which answer we have got, that is 2 by 3. So this way even you can solve, or directly, easy and simplest. That is why this formula is there of complementary, 1 minus probability A. So 1 minus 1 by 3, that will be 2 by 3. Now next is, that is the number selected is a multiple of 4. Now again here also we have to mention that event of the number selected is multiple of 4. So that we assume that is B. So probability B. Now again in this, what numbers will be? 4, 8, 12, 16, up to last number is 120. Again, if we want to know that how many these will be, so for that 120 divided by 4, because these are the multiples of 4, that we get 30. So in that case M will be 30. So here 30 divided by 120, that will be 1 by 4. So this 1 by 4 will be the probability of getting multiple of 4. Now next is, the number selected is not a multiple of 4. Again it's B dash. How we find? 1 minus probability B, that will be probability of B dash. So how we find that? 1 minus 1 by 4, that will be 3 by 4. So this 3 by 4 will be the probability of selecting not a multiple of 4. Now last question, that is the number selected is multiple of both 3 and 4. Now this is A intersection B. Why? Because this is where that event of the number selected, that is a multiple of 3 and 4. Now how we get this 3 and 4? Because it's given what? Both are there, 3 and 4. So what we will do? That is, we can say that A intersection B, that common values of 3 and 4. Now common value of 3 and 4 means 3 into 4. That will be 3 4s are 12. So here A intersection B, that will be, we start because it is 3 4s are 12, 24, 36, and last number will be 120. And how many these will be? So again 120 divided by 12, that comes 10. So here M will be 10. So here if we find probability of A intersection B, that will be M upon N will be 10 by 120, which final answer will be 1 by 12. So this way A intersection B, that is where the multiples of 3 and 4, that is 12. So 12 multiples of 12, that will be, now you can see these 10 values, these are the common of 3 as well as 4. You can check 12, 24, 36, 48, 60. This way all are exactly divisible by 3 as well as 4. So this way A intersection B's probability will be 1 by 12. Next question. 4 couples, in bracket it is mentioned husband and wife, attend a party. 2 persons are randomly selected from these 8 persons. Find the probability that the selected persons are 3 questions, husband and wife, 1 man and 1 woman, and 1 man and 1 woman who are not husband and wife. Now this question, board point of view, very important. Same question many times it is asked in board. So try to understand properly and solve it. Now as we discussed previously, find the probability before that, whatever it is given, that is your n. So here 4 couples, that is husband and wife. So 4 into 2, so sample points will be 8. Okay, 4 to the 8. Now these 8, from that it is given that 2 persons are randomly selected. So n will be 8C2. That will be 28. Means your sample space u or n, sample points total will be 28, because from 8 we are supposed to select 2. So 28 will be value of n for all these 3 questions. Now first in this, find the probability that the selected persons are, first is husband and wife. Now here it is, we assume event A is what? That selected 2 persons are husband and wife or couple. Now it is already given in the question that how many? 4 couples are there. So M will be, from this 4 we select 1 couple. Automatically 2 will be selected. Why? Because 4 couples, that means husband and wife, which is clearly mentioned. From that we will select 1. So husband and wife, that means 2 persons will be automatically there. So here M will be 4C1, which will be 4. So probability of A will be what? M upon n, which will be 4 by 28. So this 4 by 28 we write in the simplest form, that will be 1 by 7. So first answer, that probability which 2 persons are selected, those are husband and wife, that will be 1 by 7. Now in this only, second it is that which 2 persons are selected, they are 1 man and 1 woman. So here it's too simple but different than the first one. First one, husband and wife were there, so from 4 we took. N will be common, same 28 only, but which M will be, now because of 1 man and 1 woman it is. So how many men? 4 men. From that how many we are selecting? 1, because it is given clearly, that is 1 man. Same way 4 women, from that also we select 1 woman. So from now total 8 and 1 plus 1, 2 will be there. So from 4 men 1 and from 4 women 1. Now here 4 men and 4 women, from that 1 and 1. So here we multiply this, which will be 4 into 4 will be 16. So probability of B will be 16 by 28, which will be 4 by 7. This is your second answer. Now come to the third one, that is, even that there are 1 man and 1 woman in the selected 2 persons, but they are not husband and wife. Now this question, there are so many ways you can solve, but I'll show you the easiest method. Now this we assume that it is probability C, that 1 woman and 1 man, but both are not husband and wife. So probability C. Now how this will be? From B, if I subtract A, so this is, if you remember, difference event of B. How we find that? We know what? That is probability of B minus probability of A. If you subtract, you get B dash A, the elements which are only in B. means the elements which are in B, from that, if probability of that, if we subtract probability of A, because we know probability B is what? That they are man and woman. And probability A is what? That they are husband and wife. Now from this one and one woman, from that if we subtract what? That they both are husband and wife, automatically what we get? One man and one woman, but they are not husband and wife. So probability B is what? 4 by 7. Probability A is 1 by 7. If you subtract, we get 3 by 7. So this is your probability C, where they are one woman and one woman, but they are not husband and wife. So simple way this I have shown. You can do it some other way also, no problem. And as I said, this question, board point of view, very, very important. Many times in board it is asked. Now next question. 2 cards are drawn from a pack of 52 playing cards. Find the probability that number 1, both the cards are of different color. Number 2, both the cards are face cards. And number 3, one of the 2 cards is a king. Now before find the probability, 2 cards are drawn from a pack of 52 playing cards. So total 52, from that we are supposed to select 2. So 52 C2, that will be the value of n, which is 1, 3, 2, 6. So n is 1, 3, 2, 6. I think you people, do you remember how we find this combination? You have already done it in 11th standard. Still, if I give you the formula, NCR is equal to n factorial upon n minus r factorial into r factorial. Put these value. This is 52 is n, r is 2. You can use and you will get this 1326. Now first, event that both cards are of different color, that is both cards are what? Either black or red color, because as we discussed, 2 colors are there and cards are 26 black color cards and 26 red color cards. N will be same, but M for this will be from this 26 black cards, how many we are selecting? 1. Why? Because it is given that both cards are of different color. That is, 1 will be black and 1 will be red. Now 1 and 1. So always remember, in that case there will be multiplication. We are supposed to select 2 cards, 1 black and 1 red. So multiplication will be there. Now this comes 6, 7, 6. So probability of A will be 6, 7, 6 upon 1, 3, 2, 6, which will be 26 by 51. If you want, you can find in decimal, but what I will suggest you that you go for this way, simplest form only. Next, B is what? Even that both cards are face cards. Do you remember how many face cards are? That is 12. And those 12 face cards, 3 cards are of spade. Same way, 3 cards club, 3 cards that is diamond, and 3 cards that comes of heart. This way, total how many? 12 cards. From that, we are supposed to select 2 because it is given both cards are face cards. So total 12 cards, from that we select 2. So that comes 66. So probability of B will be M by N, which will be 66 by 1326, which comes 11 upon 221. Simplest form of this. Now last, C we assume, that is what? One of the 2 card cards is a king. Now from these two cards, one card is king and another card from rest of the cards. Now see here, M will be for this. How many kings are there total in this full playing cards of 52? That is 4. From this 4, one card is taken. So 4C1. Again and is there. Now 4 already we have taken rest of the cards, total 52 from that 4. So rest will be 48. From 48 cards, one card is drawn. Now see, total 52 and 1 plus 1, 2 will be this. So 4C1 into 48C1, that comes 192. So probability of C will be 192 by 1326. N will be common for all. So this will be 32 by 221. So this way, that one card out of 2 is one king and rest another card. So 4C1 into 48C1. So this way 32 by 221. Now today's sums, which type of we did? Now same type of sums, homework. Today's homework. Textbook page number 25, exercise 1.2, question number 1, 3, 4, 14 and 16, plus all illustrations of your textbook of such type of sums. Please do it. This is an end of this session. See you in next session tomorrow. Thank you.